Looking for a delicious, sweet, and airy American buttercream? If so, stay watching. If not, then check out the description box for a Swiss meringue buttercream that is less sweet and very silky. If you're new here, welcome to Thalias Cakes. Thank you so much for clicking on this tutorial. If you enjoy fun cake decorating and other cake related stuff, you might want to consider hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss out on another video. Alright, let's get started. Here are the ingredients you will need. Unsalted butter, room temperature, sifted powdered sugar, vanilla extract, salt, and heavy cream. The exact measurements will be down below in the description box. So the first thing you're going to do is place your butter into the mixer bowl and add in your vanilla extract. I personally love using Dominican vanilla extract. It is my favorite to use. It is delicious, all right? So make sure you buy yourself a bottle. They actually sell it on Amazon. That's the only place I've been able to find it on. So the link will be down below in the description box. Now you can pop the bowl onto the mixer and then set your speed to medium-high speed. And if you don't have a KitchenAid mixer, don't worry, you can use a hand mixer. You're gonna let this mix for about 2 minutes until light and fluffy. Your butter should look something like this, very luscious and beautiful. Oh my goodness. Once that's set, you're just gonna put that off to the side and take your heavy cream and salt and mix them together very good so that way the salt dissolves within like the heavy cream. And then you're gonna set that off to the side and get back to your KitchenAid. Well, your buttercream. Whatever, you know what I mean. Now you can add in your sugar to your butter, 2 cups at a time. And make sure that you're sifting this sugar before adding it to the mixture, because or else you get chunks of sugar in your buttercream and it's not gonna be very appetizing, okay girl? Once that's fully combined, then you're going to turn off the KitchenAid again and then pour in 2 more cups of your sugar and let that mix again. Once that's fully combined, now you're going to place in your heavy cream mixture and put only half of that mixture in. And then turn on the KitchenAid to mix it up again. You will continue to add the rest of the powdered sugar that's required for this recipe by 2s until you finish. Once you reach the last set of the 2 cups of powdered sugar, just add in the rest of the heavy cream mixture and let that mix for about a minute on medium-high speed. Once it's well combined, take out your beater and use a spatula to push out any of the extra buttercream that's inside of the beater. Cause girl, we're not trying to waste buttercream up in here, okay? Scrape down the sides of the bowl so that you can combine any sugars or butter that was like, left over from previously. And then give it a good mix with the spatula. If you want, you can put it back onto the beater and let that beat more after like scraping down the edges, but you don't have to. Now let's say you're not thinking about using buttercream today, or you made too much. All you gotta do is put it inside a Tupperware, get some saran wrap, okay? Cover that real nice and tight, and then get the lid, boom, put it on, and then you can put it in the freezer for about 30 days, or you could put it in the refrigerator for a week, or you can leave it out in room temperature for about 2 to 3 days. So if this video was helpful to you in any kind of way, please give it a thumbs up. Please give your girl a thumbs up, okay? I come here every week to give you guys some free stuff, free content, right? If you're new here, please click the circle button right over here to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more videos like these, okay? All right, thank you so much for watching. God bless.